So what exactly is bruxism? Bruxism is where you grind your teeth when you are not aware of it. This happens during the day, but for most people it happens while they are asleep. People who suffer from bruxism also tend to clench their teeth, pushing their jaws together with incredible force. Why is bruxism bad for you? Bruxism can have many short-term and long-term effects. Mentioned above are just some of the short-term effects of bruxism. If you have bruxism and you let it go untreated for many years, then the results can often be irreversible. Eventually you would grind through the enamel on your teeth and expose the dentine. The enamel on your teeth is basically like a shield that protects your teeth, so without this your teeth are unprotected. Without the enamel on your teeth, you will notice your teeth are very sensitive to things like hot, cold or any citrus. Dentine is also much softer than enamel, so if you continue to grind your teeth they will wear out even faster. Who is likely to have bruxism? In one word, anybody. Anybody can have bruxism. A lot of people seem to think that only people with highly stressful jobs grind their teeth. But this is not true at all. Many people who seem relaxed and laid back still have bruxism. A lot of these people do not even know they have the condition. Now is the time to stop grinding your teeth. If you leave it too late, the effects can be irreversible. Click here. Stop Bruxism Info Proco.